The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
Have you ever tried to pick up an ice cube using just a piece of string? Sounds impossible, right? But with a little science and a pinch of salt, you can do it. Today, we're learning about freezing point depression and how it can help us lift ice without even touching it. That's a fancy way of saying we're going to use salt to melt and refreeze the ice to make it stick to our string. Here's what you're gonna need: 4 clear glasses, cold water, ice cubes, salt, 4 pieces of string about 12 inches long, sticky notes, a timer or watch. So let's get started. First, fill each glass with cold water, then add a few ice cubes. Make sure the ice is floating with some just at the water's surface. Now, take a piece of string and lay it across the top of one of the ice cubes in the first glass. Try lifting the string. Does the ice stick? Nope, it doesn't. So let's try something different. For glass number 2, place the string across the ice again. Don't forget to label this one with a sticky note. This time, sprinkle a little bit of salt right on top of it. Wait a few seconds, then lift the string again. Better luck this time? Now, let's go even further. Take 2 more glasses with ice and water. Put the string across the top of an ice cube in each one, just like before. Add salt to just one of the glasses and mark it. Now, set a timer for about 2 to 3 minutes. After the time is up, gently lift the string. What happened? Did the one with salt work? When you added the salt, it melted the ice just a little bit. Then that salty water refroze around the string. That's freezing point depression in action. Salt makes water freeze at a lower temperature, so it melts and refreezes to trap the string. No salt, no stick, because plain water just stays, well, plain cold. This is the same science behind putting salt on icy roads in winter. It keeps ice from forming or helps it melt faster. You just used chemistry to lift ice cubes like magic. Way to go, scientist. And that is just one of many cool things you can do with 4-H and Extension. Scan the QR code or go to go.osu.edu/themoreyougrow to find more fun science experiments near you.
The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.